Hello students, a very warm welcome to each one of you in 5th standard. Now today we are going to begin with our maths online session. Okay, so first of all we will begin with unit 1 and the name of the unit is numbers and numeration. So in our exercise 1 we are going to revise or recall whatever we have done in 4th class. Okay, so first of all we are going to begin with smallest number and largest number of 1 digit number, 2 digit number, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and 7 digit. Okay, so what is the smallest number of 1 digit? Yes, smallest number of 1 digit is 1. Students, we have to be sure that in 1 digit we are not going to take 0. Okay, we have to take 1. Now largest number of 1 digit is 9. Right? Now what is the smallest number of 2 digit? See, initially we will just count what is the number after 9. It is 10 and 10 is 2 digit number, right? So 2 digit number will become smallest number of 2 digit. Okay, 10. Now largest number of 2 digit is 9. Okay, now smallest number of 3 digit is 100 and largest number of 3 digit is 999. It means 999. Now smallest number of 4 digit is 1000. It will become 1000 and largest number of 4 digit is 999 and 9. So it will become 9999. Now smallest number of 5 digit is 1000 and 0 and we will call it 10,000, right? And the largest number of 5 digit is 9999 and 9. It means we will write down 9 5 times. Okay, then 6 digit smallest number will be 1 time 1 we will write and 5 times 0. Okay, this is how we are going to write smallest number. Now largest number will be, we will write 9 6 times. This is largest number of 6 digit. Now smallest number of 7 digit, we will write 1 only one time and then 6 times we will write 0. Done. And largest number of 7 digit is, just write down 9 7 times. Yes. So this is how we have done, or we have understood how to write smallest number and largest number of 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit and 7 digit. And this is how it will go on. Okay, it will go on in the same manner. Now how to write number names? See, you can see I took 2 examples over here. Now let us understand how to write number names. First of all, we have to go from right hand side towards left hand side. Now let me explain. This first digit is placed at 1's place. Then this one is at 10's place. Then this one is at 100's place. And then this one is at thousands place. Then this digit is placed at 10,000s. 10 th. This is how I am writing over here. 10,000s place. Then this one is at lakhs place. Okay. Once again, first one ones, then tens, then 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So what will be the number name of this number? 3 lakh. Then these two numbers we will write down as it is. We will write down in a group and it will become 68,000. So this is how 68,000. This is how we will write it down. Then these three digits we will take as in one group. So it will be written down as 432. Okay students, so this is how we have to write down the number names. Is it clear to you all? Let me explain this example also. Now again, this digit is placed at ones place. Then this one is at tens. Then this one is at thousand, hundreds, HUN, 100. Then this one at 1000. Then 10,000. Then this one is placed at lakhs place. Then this one is at 10 lakh. Okay. So now let us write down its number name. Beginning from this side, as this number is placed at 10 lakhs place, so it means we will take these two digits in one group, these two digits in another group, and these three digits in separate group. Okay, so let us write down their number name. 48 lakh. Then 19 thousand. Then 625. Okay, so this is how we have to write down number names. We have to just count we have to just check their place values, and then we will simply write down their number name. Okay, so now let us begin with our exercise. Yes students, this is our unit 1 exercise 1, and question number 1 says you all can refer to your book on page number 9. There you can see the questions. Okay, so question number 1 says the smallest 5-digit number. Now let us check it out here. Which is the smallest 5-digit number? This 10,000, right? So let us write it down over here. 1 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, so this is the smallest 5-digit number. Now greatest 6-digit number. Let us again check it out over here. 6-digit greatest number. This is the greatest 6-digit number. So let us write it down. over here. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So this is our greatest 6-digit number. Okay, now we will move on to question number 2, and the question says write the numbers. It means number name is already given over here. Now we have to convert and write it down in numbers. So 23,110. Now see, this group is complete. 23,000. Let us write it down like this. 23. Okay, 1,000. 1,000 means after this we have to have 3 digits. So let us check it out whether we have a number name or not. 110. We will write down 110 like this. So yes, this is our complete answer. 23,110. Let us just check it out, the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Yes, it is right and correct. Okay. Now 50,544. Now 50,000. Let us write down 50. Okay. Let us put 1 comma. 545. It means 545. Okay. Now C part. 68,305. So let us write down 68,000. So we will put 1 comma and 305. For this it has to be like this, 305. Okay. Now 69,797. It means just write it down like this, 69,000, then 797. 797. This is our number. Now in E part we have in lakhs. So 1 lakh, 38,000, 38,400. Let us just write down 400. Okay. Now 4 lakh. Write down 4 as it is. 57,000, 57,708. 708. Okay students, so this is how we have to do from number name to numbers. Okay, now in question number 3, what we have to do? We have to write down the number names. Okay, we have to write down the number names. First of all, in A part we have 27, then a comma, then 538. It means 27,538. Because 8 is in ones place, then tens, then 100, then 1,000, then 10,000. Okay, so 27,538. Let us write it down. 27,538. Done. Okay. Now B part. 709,123. Let us read out their place values first of all. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. It means this 7 is placed at lakhs place. Okay, so let us begin. 7 lakh, then 09 means 9,000, then 123 means 100, 23. Okay. Now C part. 18, 678. So what we are going to write down its number name, and it will be like this: 18, 1000, 678. Okay. Now this D part, again we have 6-digit number, so it means it will be from lakh. So the C, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So let us write down its number name: 3 lakh 25,000 173. And it's done. Okay. Now E part, 54005. Now see, we have to be very careful while writing its number name, because see, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So we have to begin with thousands place, 50, 4,000. Now student, do we have any digit at tens place and hundreds place? No, we have 0. So we will just write down for 54,005. Okay, that's it. So this is how we have done our question number 3. And students, now please do all these 3 questions in your maths registers. We're using a pen. Okay, using a pen, put up today's date, write down unit number 1, write down unit's name, that is numbers and numeration, and then write down exercise 1, and then start doing this work. Okay, and from now onwards we will do everything in notebooks only, and it will be better if you make a register for maths. Okay, it will be convenient and easy for you to write down all the exercises and all the notes in a register. Okay, so that is all for today. Have a good day. Take care.